So, artificial intelligence, unit 4, approaches of automated negotiations. So, game theoretic approaches, hierarchic approaches, and argumentation based approaches. So, these are the basic three approaches in automated negotiation. So, what is game theory approaches? Game theory is a branch of economics. So, agent study rational decision and multi-party statistic decision making. An agent utility maximizes and given a mechanism to analyze the strategies and outcomes. An agent have to what kind of mechanism have to design. So game theory approaches in negotiation. So what is mechanism design? This is a question mark we put it in last slide. So mechanism design, assuming perfect rationality, design of rules of the game. So assuming perfect rationality, what is a perfect rationality? Rationality is a sixth sense. So that is you have to accept and assuming the mechanism design and design rule of the game. So you have to implement the rule of the game for mechanism design. The rational agent would have behave certain way. Example, the way a truth telling is a dominant strategy. That's a mechanic design. Also, it's guarantee to certain outcome properties. So this is also mechanic comes design. And problem with game theoretic approaches, assuming a perfect rationality, each agent knows space of possible deals. Also, each agent knows how to evaluate such deals, and each agent know the space of possible strategies. So these are the things as assumption of perfect rationality and decision computed instantly, no time to constraints and no computation cost, optimal recursive modeling of the components. And game theory say nothing about how to program the agent. For example, how to compute the utility function and how to compute the space of the possible strategies. So these are the problem of game theoretic approaches. And heuristic approaches. What is heuristic? Heuristic means it's a knowledge based approach. The agent do not necessarily know each other preferences, like a game of chess or tic tac toe. So these are the games and no need to necessary to each other preference. We no need to know. It is not a necessary. How to program strategies, time dependent tactics, then fuzzy similarity to generate counter offers, and fuzzy modeling of market conditions, Bayesian learning of opponents. So study strategy performance empirically is a heuristic approaches. And final approach, augmentation based approaches. In a game, theoretic and heuristic approaches same some limitations. Example, agent exchange the proposals. So augmentation is not allowed to exchange any additional information. So example, network goods such as fax machines like that. An agent utilized the preference are assumed to be completely characterized prior to the interaction. An agent they reflect true benefit to the agent gets. You know that approaches, heuristic approaches assume that agent utilize our preferences are fixed. Example for the influence of the other game, the preference model or internet mental its attitude. Augmentation based approaches are attempt to overcome these kind of limitations. So argumentation is a argumentation and dialectical argumentation. So what is argument? It's a reason or justification for some conclusion. That's argument. So based on belief, action, value, goal, then argumentation is a reasoning about arguments, design and conclusion, and dialectical argumentation is a multi-party argumentation through the dialogue. So argumentation based negotiation, see the structure, negotiation and argumentation. So negotiations comes under actions, bargaining and mechanism design. Similarly, argumentation it has knowledge fusion, dialogue game argumentation, and legal argumentation. So if you combine or intersect between negotiation and argumentation, you will be getting ABN. The ABN is nothing but argumentation based negotiation. So ABN agent, argument based negotiation agent. So this is the black diagram we saw previously. They added some extra components, location interpretation, that's a proposal database. After proposal database, they given the queries. The rising queries from opponent environmental model are mental attitudes. The query updated to them, then the proposal evaluation and generation will be started. The proposal might be accept or reject by argumental generation. Then here the extra components are added here, argument selection. The selection part suggested to arguments. After the argument selected, then the response sent to location generation. So this is ABN agent basic classic diagram. So here the summary part for approaches. So advantage and drawback of game theoretic, heuristic based, argument based. So game theoretic advantages is strongly analytical in result. This advantage and drawback, you have to assume to fix and correct complete preferences. So this is you have to assume it. And the says little about how to program the agent. There's a drawback they saying in game theoretic approach. And heuristic based approach advantage is concentrate on programming agents. This advantage and drawback they say again they have to fix and correct the complete preference and hard to validate the strategy. That's another drawback of heuristic based. Then advantage of argumentation based agent it's very expensive and preference can be changed and drawback of argument based agent and validating strategy is still in very early stages. Okay, thank you.